What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeWilderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you can actually be aided in your weight loss journey by being out in nature. All right, let's get into the video. So the first benefit of being out in nature is it's gonna help lower your cortisol levels. All right, it's gonna help lower the stress hormone, which actually is notorious, so notorious for leading to fat storage, not just anywhere, but in the midsection, right? So when you have a lower cortisol level, you're gonna be able to burn more fat, right? The second thing is being out in nature improves your concentration. So when you're out here and you're kind of just looking at the animals, usually, we got ducks here, you're looking at the forestry, the greenery, and things of that nature, no pun intended. But what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna have more of a focus. So when you're actually working out, when you're exercising, you're gonna be hitting the muscle groups a lot better. You're gonna have more of that mind-muscle connection because your concentration is there and you're gonna be able to do the reps with precision. And the reality is, the more muscle you build, the higher your metabolism gets. And the higher your metabolism, the more fat you burn at rest. Most people, they underestimate the fact that they need to build muscle. They think, oh yeah, I just want to lose weight. Trust me, deep down you want to build muscle because you don't want loose skin. You want to be tight and toned and defined at the end of your transformation. All right. The third benefit is when you're out in nature, you actually release something called serotonin. So serotonin is the happy chemical in the brain that makes you feel good. It makes you feel at peace. It improves your well-being. And a lot of people don't know this, but when you're serotonin deficient, you actually become more of an impulsive eater. That's why people talk about stress eating, because when you don't feel good from the stress, you need to figure out a way to overcompensate. So you go and run for some Cheetos, some Twinkies, some Flakies, some pancakes. You go for the sweets, the comfort food, right? Because of that low serotonin. So when you're out in nature, you increase that, increasing your well-being, which actually suppresses your appetite. There's a reason why if you're doing a job that you really enjoy and you're in the flow of it, you don't feel hungry because that process is raising your serotonin. So you're like, whoa, it's already 5, I haven't even eaten all day, right? So there's something to be said about the benefits of raising your serotonin, and nature, being out in the woods or by a lake can really aid in that, all right? So these are 3 things that you can benefit from being out in nature. Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.